The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse, retold by Susanna Davidson, based on a story by Aesop, illustrated by Jacqueline East. In among the waving grasses lies a little brown country mouse fast asleep. His name is Pippin. He dreams of crunchy seeds and juicy red strawberries. Every evening, Pippin pattered home to his little house in a leafy hedge. Then, one cold winter's day, there was a rat-a-tat-tat at his door. "Pippin!" cried a voice. It was Toby Town Mouse come to stay. "Oh, my whiskers!" cried Pippin. He rushed to his pantry for his best nuts and berries. "Is this all you have?" asked Toby Town Mouse. "In town, we eat like kings. I think you better come and stay with me." The mice scampered to the station early next morning. The train trundled in with a snort and a squeak. "It's huge," gasped Pippin. "It's like a big red beast." They wriggled inside a man's green bag and were lifted aboard. Then, jucka, 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 choo, choo! They were off. Pippin gazed out of the window, trees waving their branches. Then there were no trees at all, just tall buildings that touched the sky. "At last!" cried Toby, sniffing the air. "We're here!" They ran out of the station onto a busy street. "Hurry up, Pippin!" "Help!" squeaked Pippin, dodging in and out of stamping feet. "This is it," said Toby, proudly pointing his paw. "My house." They crept through a crack under the blue front door. Toby led Pippin down under the floor, up secret stairs behind the walls, and into a splendid dining hall. The mice nibbled and gnawed and scooped cream with their paws until they were perfectly full. They woke with a start as the table shook. "My dinner time," purred the kitchen cat. Juicy little mice." "Run!" squeaked Toby. The mice darted this way and that. Pows, pows went the hungry cat. She swiped at Pippin with her pointy claws. "Quick, Pippin, into this hole!" Pippin ran. The cat leaped and missed. "Curses!" she hissed. "Oh, my whiskers," said Pippin, mopping his brow. "I want to go home." "Oh, why? This town life is too much for me." Toby took Pippin to the station and waved goodbye. Pippin gazed again as the tall buildings flashed quickly past his eyes. In the starry dark, Pippin finally reached his hedge. He sniffed the cold, sweet air and smiled. Then he snuggled down in his soft, mossy bed. "This is the life for me," he said.